Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Zero X Pro, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way, using the secret code. So we have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Let's tap on OK, and now another way through the settings. So let's open them. Then let's tap on My Phone, which is at the top of the list. Let's enter and scroll down to find phone information. Let's enter. So right here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So you've got two different ways to check the IMEI numbers in this specific device. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.